Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap world at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investments. Wednesday, February the 4th, I've got 5 great press releases for you from both sides of the border, a little bit resources heavy, but I'm happy to report that we had a lot of great numbers, production and financial results out of these companies, so it's going to be a great day on AGORACOM TV. First, I want to start you off with an announcement. The AGORACOM 100 is proud to welcome China AGXM to its marketplace. The company trades on the OTC under the stock symbol CADC, and if you know anything about AGORACOM and AGORACOM TV, we love these up-and-coming Chinese small cap companies. First, let me get straight to the numbers. I'll tail the tape here. Revenues in their last fiscal year, $27.6 million, up 31%. Gross profit, $6.75 million, up 44%. And net income, $4.9 million. That's up 49.3%. What does the company do? They're a producer of advanced construction materials for large-scale commercial, residential, and infrastructure developments. More than just lip service here. China AGXM, 80% of their revenues are actually directly derived from major state-owned construction companies. So they got a great revenue stream and they got a great client base to get. You can't find anything better than the Chinese government or state-owned construction companies, especially given the stimulus package, $585 billion announced by the Chinese government in November. What I also like about China AGXM, they got about 10.5 million shares outstanding, and more than 80% of the stock is held by insiders. Companies trading on the stock symbol CADC. Take a look at them on AGORACOM. Let's get over to some of the news today. Capstone Mining starts us off. They trade on the stock symbol CS on the TSX. They announced record copper production for 2008, and they're actually increased their forecast for 2009. This is a report here on the Minto and Cozamin mines that produced 74.1 million pounds of copper in concentrate in 2008. However, they're reporting that they achieved full commercial production effective January 1st, 2009. So now they're forecasting production of 95 million to 105 million pounds of copper containing concentrates for 2009 at a total cash cost of approximately $1 per pound. Now you're probably wondering, copper's not trading too far above that lately, but Darren Pilot, Vice Chairman CEO of Capstone, put some real great context on this when he said in his quote, "Cash flow from our operations is further enhanced by a robust forward sales program where we have 104 million pounds of copper forward sold at an average price of $2.52 per pound." So do the math there. It looks like they're going to do about $1.52 in gross profit on about 95 to 105 million pounds. Big numbers there. Capstone closed yesterday at $1.11, way off the 52-week high of 4.47, but a strong bounce off their low of 65 cents. And with those kind of numbers, might be worth doing some more due diligence. Next up, Celtic Exploration trades also on the TSX, the big board on the stock symbol CLT. They announced a 2008 operating results highlighted by significant increase in production and reserves. We love these kind of resource stories. They put out their numbers for the 3 and 12 months ended December 31st, 2008. Here are some of the highlights. They increased their average daily production by 41% to 11,071 barrels of oil equivalent per day. They increased proved plus probable reserves by 57% to 53.2 million barrels of oil equivalent. And finally, they report a net asset value per share at year-end of $18.92. Pretty important considering the fact that they closed yesterday at $13.07. That's Celtic Exploration on the TSX. Inter-Citic Minerals also trades on TSX under ICI. They put out some new drill results. This from the Deshang gold property in China. It's their 9th set of drill results from a 2008 diamond drill program. Here's some of the highlights. 41 of the 47 drill holes reported gold mineralization. Holes 584, 582, and 612 all intersected multiple mineralized zones and some pretty good intersects. Go take a look at those. They closed yesterday at 49 cents, significantly off their 52-week low of 17 cents. As we've said on AGORACOM TV, these good junior resource companies with great projects, great management are going to bounce back in 2009, and we're seeing that already, and we're just into the first week of April. And finally, Argentex Mining trades on the venture exchange, ATX, as well for our U.S. friends on the OTC under AGXM. They They intersected 12.5 meters of 141 grams per ton of silver, 9.39% combined lead, zinc, and 60 grams per ton of indium. This is at Pinguino, which is a property in Santa Cruz, Argentina. That highlight came from hole 164.08. They also had hole 220.0108 that returned about just under 8 meters of 74.2 grams per ton of silver and 3.55% combined lead, zinc, 20.4 grams per ton of indium. They've got significant holdings in the Patagonia region of Argentina, which is a very prolific zone. Great results out of the company. They closed yesterday at 25 cents. That's a wrap. As always, if you're looking for more great small cap resource or any kind of companies, don't forget about the AGORACOM 100, AGORACOM100.com, an elite, exclusive group of great small cap companies to help you, the small cap investor, start your research from an easy place and be able to make great investment decisions. Don't forget about that, and don't forget to tune in tomorrow. Have a great day. See you then.